Hi champions, welcome to another video. So in this video I want to talk to you about insurance. Do you have insurance? Any type of insurance, whether it is health insurance, life insurance, or motor vehicle insurance. Let me know in the comments if you have any form of insurance. All right, so if you are new to this channel, welcome guys. My name is Vivette, and on this channel we talk about ways that we can make money online, savings, investment, money saving tips, and general ways in which we can achieve financial freedom. So guys, I want to talk about insurance because it is something that I realize that not many persons talk about, and it is so important to have insurance. So you would know that there are many persons who would have left their jobs and want to start their own business. Some employers, while they were working, would provide some form of insurance in the sense where the employer would pay part and the employee will pay the other portion. So many persons would have insurance, especially health insurance, right? Because that is the main one that many employers assist and provide, right? But the thing is now, you have many persons who, because of COVID, some persons have lost their jobs, or some persons have decided to resign their work and to branch off on their own, creating their own business, and so forth. So the thing is, while you were working, you had insurance, but do you have insurance now, seeing that you are your own boss? Because the thing is, you have to provide everything now. You have to create your own income. You have to pay your bills, create your income to pay your bills, and everything. It's all on you now. You don't have a job that is gonna give you a consistent salary every month or weekly, fortnightly, however you are paid. Now everything is on you. The thing is, many persons may not factor in insurance when they are self-employed. And this is so important because, guys, the cost of health is very expensive. And I specifically want to talk about health insurance and life insurance. I'm not gonna really talk much about motor vehicle insurance because I I believe that many persons factor that into consideration. They have to have motor vehicle insurance because they have the vehicle, they have to go up and down, and that is a must for many persons. But I don't think that many persons realize how important having a health insurance is, because health, when anything happens as it relates to your health, it costs a lot of money. And it is so important that as a self-employed person, you need to have insurance for yourself. If you have family, you need to have insurance for them, because in the Jamaican context, the quote is, trouble not set like rain, and that means that we don't see trouble coming sometimes, and we have to put things in place so that if in the event that anything should happen to us, we are able to be able to go to the doctor and to fill our medication, to do a medical procedure. If it comes to the test, we are able to do that. Because I can tell you guys, having insurance is very, very important. Medications are so expensive. To do any form of procedure is very expensive. And when you have health insurance, it saves you a lot. You can save money with health insurance, because when you have your insurance and you go to the doctor and the doctor fee is so and so, your health insurance would cover probably majority of it, and you just probably just pay like the difference, right? If you have to fill a prescription, you can use it to pay for your prescription, and it covers depending on the plan that you are on, it will help, right, to cover some of the costs for the medication. If you have to do a procedure, right, if you have to do, like, for example, do blood tests, if you have to do x-ray, ultrasound, to check your eyes, to go to the dentist, anything, is great to have an insurance, right, because it will help with the cost. Because the thing is, if you don't have health insurance, then you would have to pay all that amount upfront, right? You'd have to pay it upfront, right? And the thing is, it helps. There are some medical practitioners, they don't accept the health insurance when you go to them upfront. So it's like you have to pay the money upfront and then you claim it back. But in any case, right? If you even pay it, you still can put in a claim at your insurance company and to get back that difference, right? So I can tell you that health insurance is extremely important, and I just want to encourage you out there who are self-employed, mainly, to set aside funds for insurance, not only for yourself, but if you have families, like you have children, and your parents or other family members, you can help them along the way, right? And it is so important because, honestly, guys, in health, trust me, when some serious illness, or sometimes it don't have to be serious, but just the fact that the 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 things in health, medication, the procedures, the visits are so expensive. It's great to have an insurance, because I can tell you that probably in 2016, my father had to do a procedure, and the amount was like near $1 million Jamaican, right? And I can tell you that if he didn't have insurance, we would have to find that money up front. And because of the insurance, we were able to schedule an appointment for him to do the procedure as quickly as possible, and it was done, and we paid the difference, right? I myself can attest that I had to do a procedure as well, and the amount that they told me to do it, and I I quickly use my insurance, because what they do, especially in Jamaica, is that if you have to do a procedure, they would send it to the insurance company to find out how much of your of that amount the insurance will cover, right? And then no, they will tell you the amount that you would have to pay. And guys, I'm telling you, it really helped, because at the end of the day, I didn't have to pay a lot of money. I didn't have to pay a lot of money because the insurance really, really helped, right? So I'm encouraging you guys to take out an insurance, right? And it really helps, because honestly, you can save a lot of money, and also it can mean the difference between saving a life and death, right? Because honestly, if you don't have money, honestly, if you don't have it, it's certain things you just cannot afford, and maybe you don't come from a family that is well off, that can assist you, in the event that you have to find this exorbitant amount of money to do probably a medical procedure. It's really hard, and there are sometimes when I listen to the news and I see like individuals, sometimes children who require certain type of medical procedure, and because sometimes they don't have any insurance and they have to be asking like corporate, or the citizens and a whole to assist, right? And it's really hard, but whatever you can do, just try to have an insurance, right? Just try to take out one. However you can afford, just just try to take out one, and try to be consistent. If it's a case where you even work, because maybe not every place, not every employer has health insurance. You may work for somebody, but they don't provide insurance, health insurance, so you would have to pay that out of your salary. You can set up like probably a standing order at your financial institution and let the funds go towards your insurance at your insurance company, right? Or something like that. Or you can pay it over the counter, however it is that it suits you best. But it is very important, especially when for us as ladies, I think that we go to the doctor more often than men, right? And it's so important for us to have it because we have so many issues at times that affect us as mothers and sometimes our children, right? So it is very important. And guys, honestly, it pains my heart sometimes when I go to the pharmacy and if I have to fill a prescription, and you might see somebody come there with the prescription, and when the pharmacist tell them the cost of the medication, then and it's like, so for example, if the medication are more, because sometimes some persons come with a lot on the prescription, and sometimes they can't afford it, and they can only like purchase probably maybe a week's supply when they need a month's supply, right? And because they don't have any health insurance, they can't really pay for all of it, right? So I'm encouraging you guys, please take out an insurance. It's very important, and you can save a lot of money. Honestly, it save a lot, right? It saves a lot. And another aspect of insurance I want to talk about is having life insurance. Many of us don't really like to take out life insurance because that is only applicable like when you pass and all that. But it is also important to take it out, because if you have family, if you have children, it can, I mean, if you pass, God forbid, it can assist with your funeral and even to assist them as well. And also you can also take out insurance for them in terms of like their education. You can there are policies in place that you can take out for their education in the event that anything should happen to you or you can't work. These things, you need to think about these things, because there's so many things that are happening, guys. Accident, you know sickness. Some of us, because of COVID, or prior to COVID, many of us we're not really exercising, and we might have non-communicable disease like high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes. It's very important to have health insurance in the event that we have any of these issues, because trust me, the medications for these things are not cheap. They are not cheap. I can tell you, they are not cheap, right? So it's best to have insurance, whether you have health insurance, life insurance. And as relates to life insurance, guys, some policies you don't have to have like full life insurance. Like for me, I have a policy that is part life and part investment. So I there is an investment part of it that you can, like, if you, for example, you want some money, you can get some money from that part of the insurance, right? Which I have done in many cases, right? So you don't have to have a life insurance that you don't benefit from, because it's those who are left behind will really be able to benefit from the life insurance. But you can have a part life and part investment, so while you are living, you are gaining from it as well. So you can think about that as well, right? So guys, there are so many insurance out there, and some of us don't like insurance. But guys, I'm telling you, when things reach you guys, you wish you have insurance, and I'm telling you, please take out an insurance. There are so many. You have critical illness plan and so forth. Just inquire with your insurance company how you can start, and they can tell you how best, based on your situation, based on your income and so forth, and design a policy for you. So guys, if you like the content, and if you like the videos and what I'm saying here, and if you want to know more, please like the video, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell, guys, so that you won't miss any of my videos. And share the videos, like the videos again, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any insurance policy, what are your views on it and so forth. We all want to learn. And so guys, please again, like the videos, share the videos, and subscribe to the channel, and leave comments as to what you'd like to see on the channel. So this is one way, insurance, that you can save money, because all we do on this channel is to tell you ways that you can make money, you can save, and you can invest, and you can achieve, so that you can achieve financial freedom, because that's what we all want, right guys? So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye everyone.